Here are 5 reasons why Notion is better than paper for governing your goals. Reason number 1, you can keep your goals way more frequently in front of you. When I first started goal setting and learning about goal setting, I was learning from teachers like Brian Tracy, Tony Robbins, Earl Nightingale, and the like, who all stress the importance of writing your goals down, and specifically on paper. Looking back, it kind of makes me think, like, I wonder, these sort of older guys, they may not be as well versed in the digital solutions that are available to us nowadays as you and I might be. But regardless of that point, writing your goals down on paper, there's something about, this is what they say, there's something about taking your goals from the ambiguous place that they are when you just have like that impulse of a desire in your head and bringing that and translating it into a specific objective on paper that makes it more real and makes it more likely that you'll achieve that goal and do the things that you need to in order to achieve it by writing it down. And so I would try that. But one of the things that I got frustrated with was I would write my goals down, and as an example, I would write them down on a legal notepad. And I'd have that little pad, and my idea was I would keep that in my bedroom, and there'd be a little spot in my bedroom dedicated to it. And the last thing I did right before getting into bed every night, and the first thing I did every morning after getting out of bed, would be to read my goals. Just that very simple act would at least keep my goals in front of me twice a day at minimum. And that was what I did for some time. And that's pretty good. I think that's better than most people. But it would be better if I could have my goals just readily available and accessible from anywhere, at any time, whenever I have a moment of downtime. Like if I'm at work and I'm closing at the end of the night and I'm waiting for a broom or something like that, and I've got a couple seconds or got a couple minutes, or if I'm in the bathroom, or I don't know, on the road, somebody else is driving, I just have a few seconds, whatever. If I could just whip out my goals and see and have that be the thing that I do when I have a couple minutes instead of scrolling social media or whatever else that you might do, that would be the ideal. Okay, so that is why then Notion is a far better option, in my opinion, than paper for housing your goals. At least that's one of the reasons. That's the first reason why it is a way better solution, because you can have a page in Notion, you can pull out your phone and whip out that page and immediately look and see, this is my year, as an example, my year overviewed for the goals that I want to achieve. Reason number 2, it allows you to add visuals. This is something I didn't really realize I was missing out on when I was planning my goals on paper. But when you write your goals and you have it on paper, unless you're exceptionally artistically inclined, which maybe you are, but I think even then, it's not very easy to draw a representation of what it means to achieve your goal. And that's especially true if you're interested in being able to adjust your goals as things change and you decide, this goal is not as important to me this year, maybe I'll put it off until next year. Or maybe instead of aiming for this amount of books this year, maybe I aim for this amount to make room for a different goal. You know what I mean? That kind of adjustment, we're going to talk about that as a different point here in just a second. But if you're trying to use paper, I guess I'll just say it's not nearly as easy to incorporate the visual element of goal setting into that as it is with Notion. Reason number 3, you can adjust your goals way more quickly and easily. In my opinion, it's extremely valuable. Let me actually start with the contrast. When I had my goals on paper, I didn't have an option to adjust my goals unless there was a serious reason to do so. Like if I really decided, okay, I don't want to pursue this goal this year anymore, or if I really want to change the deadline here, it's a pretty it's kind of a costly change because I have to either erase and rewrite, which is the least amount of effort when you're talking about paper, and then I have a leftover smudge or whatever from where it was written, and the papers gets worn out after you do that a couple of times. And then even if I wanted to reset my entire goal set, then I'd have to rip out the page and I'd have to rewrite a new one. And especially, when you're talking about having goals on multiple timelines, I used to keep in that notepad I've been talking about, I would have on the first page, I'd have the longest term goals for like a decade plus out, and then the next page would be midterm goals, and then the next page would be short-term goals. And if I wanted to reset that whole thing, I'd have to rip out those pages and rewrite them all over again. And that takes like, 20 minutes or something just to rewrite all of my goals and just to make a slight change. And if you're the kind of person that prefers that kind of rigidity in certain circumstances because you don't want it to be easy to just let yourself off the hook from a certain goal, then that rigidity might be better. But in my case, I find myself, I work toward a certain goal, but then I'll realize or something will change and it will make sense all of a sudden to, instead of pursue, for example, 12 new books this year, maybe instead I decide it makes more sense to prioritize creating additional passive income streams this year in my life than it does to read more books right now. And so maybe I set a goal instead of reading 3 books this year, 3 new books, and focusing most of my time and effort on that, or focusing most of my time and effort on my YouTube channel. As my priorities shift, I want to be able to take the goals that I have and change the size of them and change the location of them with respect to where they are in time very quickly and easily. And Notion allows me to do that. Paper doesn't, or at least doesn't as easily. Reason number 4. You can connect your goals directly to your next step tasks. Inside Notion, as you may be aware, you're not restricted to just managing your goals. And I'm getting a little ahead of myself. You can connect your goal system, your dashboard, and within each goal, you can go in and ask yourself, what are some specific bite-sized tasks that I could do or that I need to do in order to move the needle toward this goal? And then after doing that, then you can go back to the dashboard or the homepage of your entire Notion system and see those tasks that are related then to your goals. So essentially with paper, you're pretty limited to, these are my goals, and that's it. I can have this tied to some task management system elsewhere, but the relationship between my goals and the tasks related to them directly is not as clear-cut as it can be in Notion. Okay, and then finally, number 5, you can house your goal planning and tracking system inside a larger life management ecosystem. If you are not familiar with Notion, or you're newly familiar with Notion, you may not be aware, but Notion it gives you the power to manage, organize virtually any aspect and every aspect of your life, whether you're a student or a professional or a young person or an old person. We're bombarded with so much information today, and I think we're expected, depending on your line of work, if you're any kind of knowledge worker, we're expected to generate information and keep organized so many different kinds of information that if we don't have the right tools in place, we are at a severe disadvantage. Having a tool like Notion in place makes it way easier to stay on top of not only your goals, which can be an integral part of your overall ecosystem, but other pieces of your life management, like, as I've already kind of teased, your tasks, your projects, the areas of your life, your calendar. And for myself, I use now a tool called the Books Note Max, which I just made a video about last week. This is new for me, but this tool enables me the sort of like the precision of handwriting, which I've always very much loved, with the organization power and the computational organizational power of Notion in the same tool. As you see here, I have as an example Notion and my weekly planning side by side. That's one example, and I'm sure as I continue to learn how to use this tool, it'll become more and more useful to me, even though it's been a bit frustrating to set up, but that's the case with any tool. As I continue to learn more about this tool and merge Notion and handwriting together, the more I expect to uncover a holistic ecosystem of managing my entire life, my entire world, both personal and professional, with all of its tasks and demands and choices that it comes with.
Bye.